जा 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 कहाँ जाएगी हमारे बिना जाने मन, कहाँ जाएगी? क्या खाती है भाई ये, क्या खाती है मुझे बताओ यार। वेलकम बैक टू अनदर व्लॉग। आई होप यू आर डूइंग रियली वेल। मुझे देख रहे हो तो बढ़िया हो गया, मजे में रहा करो भाई, मजे में रहा करो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, सब कुछ देख लेंगे गाइस, सब कुछ देख लेंगे। देख रहे हो तुम, व्यू देख रहे हो भाई, जल्दी बताओ कौन प्यारा है, जल्दी बताओ, गुस्सा आ जाए। देख रहे हो तुम, वाइट स्किन देख रहे हो, सनस्क्रीन भाई, घर से ना बिना सनस्क्रीन लगाए तुम निकल रहे हो ना, फद्दू हो फद्दू, सच्ची बता रहा हूँ भाई। अभी कुछ फर्क नहीं दिखेगा गाइस, ऐसे घूमते रहोगे, बुढ़ापे में ना भाई स्किन ऐसी तैसी हो जाएगी स्किन की। एक मेरा दोस्त है सुपर मॉडल प्रदीप धीमन, उसकी एज है भाई 37 और लगता है 23। उसने मुझे बताया था उत्कर्ष कुछ मत लगाइयो, चाहे सिगरेट पीनी है सिगरेट पी, नशे करने नशे कर, मैं तो कुछ नहीं करता, बट सनस्क्रीन ज़रूर लगा लियो। 90% तो मॉडल्स जो होते हैं वो सब कुछ करते हैं भाई, बस सनस्क्रीन लगा लेते हैं। समझ रहे हो, इतना बड़ा इम्पैक्ट है, कुछ भी करो सनस्क्रीन लगा लो ना, एजिंग आपकी ज़्यादा जल्दी नहीं होगी। भाई इसका भी समझ नहीं आता मुझे, कहती 5 मिनट में बाहर आ रही हूँ, आज ही मैं बाहर आ गया, अब देखो अंदर है, और ये लेडीज़ ओनली डोम है ना, बिल्कुल पर्दे देखो, इसमें लोंडे रहते हैं पर्दा खुला हुआ है, इसमें लोंडे रहते हैं पर्दा खुला हुआ है, भाई कोई झाँक भी नहीं सकता, पता नहीं क्या ही करते रहते हैं भाई। अब आधा घंटा हो चुका है इसके, मैं ना घुस के ही चेक करता हूँ। दिस इज द फीमेल डोम, देख रहे हो आप?
Yeah, I just thought I'm gonna put more sunscreen.
या apply. There's no one here.
No.
तो भाई ये होता है फीमेल डोम, देख रहे हो कितना नीट है भाई, यू आर राइट, दिस इज रियली नीट।
Yes, because it's a female dorm.
हमारे
If you ever have the choice, if you can sleep in a mixed dorm or a female dorm, if you're a woman, go in a female dorm. I'm telling you.
Let me guess which is the bed. This one. You kept me waiting for half an hour. I was waiting for you outside.
I'm sorry.
And morning I did. She kept waiting.
Yeah.
तो यार बदला भाई, बदला पूरा लेता
I was
तुम्हारा।
calling with my mom.
Okay.
Yes.
What was she saying?
She was talking about crypto.
Oh. She's a like millionaire or something, crypto millionaire, Bitcoin.
Hey, you want to see my wallet?
Huh? Crypto wallet.
Yeah, I'm following her advice. I'll show you. I show you.
भाई मैं मिलेनियर के साथ घूम रहा था क्या, मेरे को अब तक नहीं पता था। Guys, I just got to know she's really rich. She's really rich. I just saw her wallet. She was like, please turn the camera off. I won't show it to the public. Really rich. Her mother is a crypto trader. Her mother is a crypto trader.
No, stop reading. Okay, no. She just. Wait, guys. Stop spreading fake news about my mom. She's just interested in crypto, okay? That's all.
सही है भाई, हमारे घर वालों का इंटरेस्ट किस में होगा, गोभी के परांठे बना देते हैं भाई, छोड़े थे पनीर परांठा बना देते हैं भाई, उनकी मम्मियों का इंटरेस्ट होता है क्रिप्टो में भाई। So guys, we are back on the road.
Back on the road. Look at the road. No, stop. I'm telling you. Stop.
धूम मचा ले धूम। You hate me? You hate me?
No, stop.
You hate me?
Ah!
You hate me? Take those words back.
Okay, take it back.
यार ये hate me।
Help me.
भाई साहब बहुत मुंडी बजा देता मैं अभी। Are you getting anything what I'm saying?
What?
Repeat after me.
Bure hum.
No, repeat after me.
Okay.
मैं बहुत मुंडी बजा लूंगी स्कूटी।
मैं बोरे में बार में स्कूटी।
गोवा बहुत हरा भरा है।
पूरा भरा बहा है।
भाई मतलब मैं जर्मन बोल सकता हूँ, हाँ say this in German like Goa is really green.
Goa ist super. Nee, Goa ist wunderschön.
Goa Sambashin.
Ja.
Goa Sambashin, right?
Goa ist wunderschön.
Goa wunderschön.
Goa ist wunderschön.
Wunderschön. Wunderschön guys. Guys, I'll tell you one thing. My phone storage is always full. You know why? Because
he thought that his YouTube videos that are on his YouTube already uploaded are stored on his phone.
भाई सच्ची में यार मेरा
So
YouTube भाई मेरा YouTube का स्टोरेज 130 GB। तो भाई मेरे को लगा कैच तो हो नहीं सकता, वो जो
so
कैच
I
होते
told
हैं।
him to offload the app, and yeah, now
भाई-
he has 150 GB.
हाँ अराउंड 100 GB। पता है क्या हुआ भाई, ऑफलोड करने से भी नहीं हुआ। मुझे लगा यार YouTube की वीडियोस चली ना जाए, क्योंकि यार सिकतड़ हूँ ना भाई, मैं प्रो तो हूँ नहीं यार। तुम्हारा भाई हूँ, तुम मुझे जानते हो। मैं
Dude, look at the street.
या अभी तुम्हारे भाई ने स्टार्ट ही करा है, तुम जानते हो भाई। मुझे लगा कुछ होता होगा कि मतलब आधी वीडियो फ़ोन में स्टोर होती होगी, आधी यूट्यूब पे। तो भाई 130 GB यूट्यूब पे था। मैंने यूट्यूब अनइंस्टॉल मारा, मैं देखी जाएगी वीडियो, जाएगी जय श्री राम जय हनुमान। भाई साहब यूट्यूब जाते तुम्हारे भाई की 130 GB। ओ वापस बाबा।
Yeah,
अब
you
जब
can also call me Liz, the tech consultant.
Yeah.
No, please don't. I have no idea.
Liz the millionaire who knows where to invest in crypto. Guys, if you want crypto recommendations,
Oh my God, there's a cow. Film the cow. There's a cow.
क्या करना है होगा
There's
हुआ?
a cow in the street.
You don't see cow.
Dude.
You don't see cows in Germany, huh? Huh? You don't see cows in Germany?
No, I mean yes, but they look different.
हमारे यहाँ की गाय भैंस सुंदर है भाई, हमारी तरह। जैसे
Yeah,
हम
because in Germany they cut the horns. Here they have the horns.
here people are really smart and handsome in India, and cow as well. Yeah. Guys in Germany are pretty.
And the cow is holy.
Yeah. Tell me one thing. Guys in Germany are pretty just like us.
Yeah.
She's like obviously more prettier than you.
I didn't say that.
You were like
Oh,
thinking.
what's that? Is that a goat? Or is that also a cow?
This is also
it's
cow.
also cow.
But you were thinking that inside, right?
Are you fishing for compliments?
No, but still.
You have to go to the left. To
Okay.
the left, to the left. To the left, to the left. To the left.
Repeat after me. भाई हनुमान चालीसा तो सिखा दे थोड़ी।
Okay.
श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज,
She gonna sit on the
निज मन मुकुर सुधारे,
She nanda nas musim na rare.
वरनव रघुबर बिमल जसु,
But I'm not really so.
जोदायक फलचारी, जोदायक फलचारी,
That's a cow.
जोदायक फलचारी,
What?
जोदायक फलचारी।
Chodarak Fochari.
हनुमान जी समझ जाओ, उसकी फीलिंग समझ जाओ। कहना वही चाह रही है जो मैं कहना चाह रहा हूँ। भगवान जी कृपा सब पे बरसाते हैं। तुम्हें आती हो नहीं आती हो, तुमने ट्राई करा ना, तुम पे कृपया बरसेगी। भाई like my blank face is like guys this. I'm like this. My model face is this. How you have seen her face? See her face. She's like see. Make a poker face. Don't laugh for 2 seconds. Don't laugh. Be serious. सही है भाई ये।
Yeah.
इसके साथ ना मजाक नहीं करा, बढ़िया टाइम पास हो जाता है भाई। यार ये बात यार ये बात जैसे तो दोस्तों यार मैंने कहते ये बात ये बात ये बात
What up?
What up?
ये बात?
ये बात
ये बात?
yeah
ये बात?
what's happening
¿Qué pasa?
क्या pasa
What's
are-
it called? Where are we going?
we are going to a really nice cafe guys
Yes.
yeah
I'm so hungry. We only had breakfast today.
हाँ लंच नहीं करा तुम्हारे भाई ने you know I know Italian
Oh, say it. I know niente italiano.
I know
Now
मामा
you have to play my song Niente Italiano. I speak niente italiano, niente italiano.
क्या खाती है भाई ये क्या खाती है मुझे बताओ यार repeat after me like I my see my Italian Mamacito pomatina Italiana brasiliana pizza passata risotto
Brasiliana, you know they speak Portuguese, right? It's like Goa. It was colonialized by the Portuguese. It's not
Goa,
Italian.
I am just speaking Italian I know Goa was colonized by Portuguese पहले पता है पोर्तुगल का था गोवा जैसे पूरे भारत पे अंग्रेजों का राज था पोर्तुगल पे गोवा उसका था भाई मतलब गोवा पे पोर्तुगल का था भाई तो ओके गाइस Mamacito pomatina तो गाइस you want some flying kiss from my side right and from her side
Mwah.
चाहिए तो मैं इसकी थी हाँ समझ गया बेटा मेरा तो बहाना था मेरी भी ले लो भाई दूँ एक और छोरियों के लिए बस लो तुम भी ले लो यार they are asking for more flying kisses ठीक है खुश हो गए, खुश हो गए।
I have a funny joke for to the right as well, but I'm not gonna say it because I'm German.
समझ आया कुछ? अंग्रेजी सुधार लो अपनी, मुझे भी नहीं आया। So guys, this is Arambol. यहाँ पे आधे से ज़्यादा रशियन रहते, दिखाता हूँ। This place is Arambol, guys. देख रहे हो तुम? I wanna have 2 more bananas. Or let's have food.
I'm hungry. I can't just eat bananas all day.
तुम्हारा भाई तो केलों पे जी लेता भाई, इसको चाहिए खाना। मैं तो केले खा के गुजारा कर लूँ भाई। तो गाइस दिस इज अरम्बोल, ओके गाइस। यहाँ पे आओगे ना तुम भाई सर्दियों में, नवंबर के टाइम, तुम ऐसे हो जाओगे कहाँ आ गया मैं, रशिया में आ गया। सब रशियन भाई यहाँ पे नाचते रहते हैं, बीच पे गाते रहते हैं, मजे मारते रहते हैं। हर नेम इज बिल्लो। बिल्लो
Billu.
बिल्लो
Billu.
Yeah.
Oh, look, she's in the middle of the street.
ये हमारी बिल्लो है भाई, और यहाँ की गाय के सींग है, देख रहे हो? There's a cow in India. It's known as कामधेनु cow.
Kamhenu cow.
कामधेनु, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Like if you'll see it, you'll become a millionaire.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Where is it?
Huh?
Where is it?
Yeah, it's close by to Krishna. So you have to go up.
Okay.
Up as in like apart from this world.
How far? Oh.
कामधेनु cow है ना कुछ, कामधेनु थी ना पापा कुछ? कमेंट कर देना पापा। पापा कहेंगे बेटे तू घर आ, कमेंट करवाऊं। तो कामधेनु गाय होती है भाई, कृष्ण जी की थी कामधेनु गाय। ये किसकी थी? किसी की तो थी यार, कमेंट में बताना यार। Okay. जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम। हंसती रहती है भाई वो, इसको कुछ समझ ना आ रहा बट हंसती रहती है। जय श्री राम।
Ashiram.
नहीं, जय श्री राम।
Jai Shri Ram.
भाई साहब बुलवा दिया भाई। I just told you one thing to do.
Telling you the way?
Yeah.
Yeah. What did you not do? Telling you the way? Yeah, I know.
भाई छोरियों के हाथ में रास्ता नहीं देना चाहिए,
I was distracted, okay?
उल्टे रास्ते पे लेगी
So
भाई।
many cows. I was distracted by the cows. Okay, we have to go to the left.
स्कूटी हम चला रहे हैं ना भाई, इसको तो चलानी ना पड़ रही भाई। भाई कहाँ जंगल में लेके जा रही है, मेरे फायदे तो नहीं उठाएगी।
Maybe here.
You wanna take me somewhere isolated, huh?
Am I gonna kidnap you?
तो भाई कैफे का नाम है ट्वाइस इन नेचर भाई, नेचर में लग रहा है तो यही होगा भाई।
Lock?
या आई थिंक सो, आई थिंक सो, आई डोंट नो। तो भाई यहाँ पे खाने पीने आए थे, किसी ने बताया था, बट ये 7:30 खुलता है। देख रहे हो कितना बढ़िया है, जंगल में बना हुआ है।
Guys, it's closed.
But the vibes are nice. We can come here in the late in the night.
Yeah. It's open at like 7:30, and look, like they have like a setup for music and stuff. So
Yeah.
maybe there's on stage.
Oh, we can
I
dance.
can sing.
Oh, you can sing.
Una samosa.
Guys, you know she's a singer. You know that, right? She's a famous singer. Her song was shared by Shahid Kapoor. Una samosa, do samosa. पता नहीं भाई.
What god is this?
Yeah, tell me. Ganesha. He's the son of Shiva. Yeah. So I am a little bored. So give me some content. Okay, it's in your hands. So guys, if you have an extroverted friend and you both are vlogging, it's a nice thing. Because when you're bored, your friend can vlog. Hey Liz.
Oh, but
Yeah, take.
I think you did such a good job at this. No, I have to do it. Okay. I'm gonna walk. I'm not getting enough exercise. Guys, I haven't exercised in a long time. Today that's gonna change.
Hey, you want some lift? Hey, you want any lift? I just saw you from there. You look really cute. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? अरे बैठ जा मैडम, अरे बैठ जा मैडम, अरे घुमा लो, अरे बैठ जा मैडम, बैठ जा, तुम आ जा, sit, I'll drop you somewhere, babe. You look really pretty. What's your name? Do you have any boyfriend or something? आजा। कहाँ जाएगी हमारे बिना जाने मन, कहाँ जाएगी? Sit. Come sit, yeah. Sit, yeah. बैठ जा मैडम, अरे बैठ जा मैडम, कहाँ जाएगी? तो मैडम बिठा लिए तुम्हारे भाई ने भाई, मैडम बिठा ली भाई। That was nice. एक्टिंग बढ़िया ना तुम्हारे भाई की। अरे बैठ जाना मैडम, सही में डर जाएगी भाई लड़की, किसी ने कर दिया ना हफ्ता मारेगी क्या। आप बिठाती हूँ तेरे को, आ जाओ बेड़े। ओ समोसा, ओ ना समोसा, समोसा,
Para mí hermosa y también preciosa.
ये थोड़ा लास्ट वाला थोड़ा वैसा हो जाता है ना, और सब बढ़िया भाई। तो गाइस अब हम जा रहे हैं भाई कोई कैफ़े ढूंढने। एक बंदे ने जो बताया था वो तो बंद मिला, अब किसी दूसरे में जाते हैं। लेट्स सी।
Yeah.
Yeah.
There are a lot of nice clothes here. I think maybe I can just
कपड़े
follow
बढ़िया।
my shopping addiction again.
भाई पूरी मार्केट है ना कपड़ों की, देख रहे हो, जहाँ तक तुम्हारी नजरें जाएगी लड़कियों के कपड़े ही कपड़े।
Shop a lot, but I don't. To be fair, I shop a lot, but I don't buy a lot. So is it really that bad?
You just went, go inside and just see.
No, I also buy, but not so much.
तो भाई यहाँ के लोकल ने हमें बताया आप जाओ मेहंदी महल है यहाँ पे, यू विल गेट अमेजिंग फूड देयर।
Oh shit! Are you ready for this? Germany against India, bargaining challenge.
तो भाई यहाँ के लोकल ने हमें बताया आप जाओ मेहंदी महल है यहाँ पे, यू विल गेट अमेजिंग फूड देयर, सो विल हैव अमेजिंग। गॉड ब्लेस यू, गॉड ब्लेस यू,
Thank you.
यू विच आर ब्लेस यू, उत्कर्ष ब्लेस यू।
You know what my mom always says? If you sneeze once, she says health. The second time, she wishes you beauty.
ओके
And the third time, she wishes you intelligence.
सही है।
Nice, right?
हम सीख मार देते हमारे घर के, और निकल जा बनियान में बाहर निकल ले तू, और हवाबाजी कर ले। इनके कितने क्यूट होते हैं भाई, कितने क्यूट होते हैं। तो भाई यहाँ पे आए हैं हम, यहाँ का फेमस रेस्टोरेंट है, गोवन रेस्टोरेंट, इसका नाम है मेहंदी महल। तो गाइज वी आर ट्राइंग गोवा थाली for the first time. It's known as Goan thali. Yeah. Excited? This is papad. This is sambar. This is I don't know mutter something. This is I don't know what is this. This is curd.
Wait, maybe we should ask. We should know what we're trying.
No, we should try and then we should know by eating. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Start.
I already learned last time is you take this,
Yeah.
you make a little scoopy with it,
Yeah.
and then you like, take the sauce like this.
भाई सब दाल है, दाल। अरे भाई कैसी
हाँ।
दाल है यार, इस दाल है कैसे।
It's green, yellow lentil, eh? Dal.
Okay, Isha. Now try this.
No, it's nice. I
It's
like
nice.
it. Dal is one of my favorite Indian dishes.
Dal. You like dal?
Yeah, dal with rice. You know, one of the girls that I lived with in Mumbai, she made rice with dal.
Rice with khichdi.
No. Rice
Huh?
and then yellow dal.
Oh.
Yeah. And I think it was the best thing that I ate in Mumbai. It's my favorite thing. Okay, next.
Shout out your friend.
Shout out to Monaki.
Yeah.
Monaki, if you see this, I like your dal. And I miss you.
अब भाई दूसरी सब्जी ट्राई हो रही है, ये है
And I also miss you.
गोभी मटर पता नहीं क्या है।
Okay.
ये आ गया भाई जूस, मौसमी जूस।
Thank you. Okay, so next one. What is the name?
सब्जी सुक्का भाजी किससे बनती है?
ग्रीन पीस
हाँ।
और गोभी।
अच्छा, गोभी दिख रही है, दाल,
And this?
सांबर। Yeah,
Okay,
now?
now the hot sauce.
Okay.
Spicy challenge.
This is
Yes.
achar. This is achar.
If you've been following me from the beginning, you know the spicy challenge. You remember the spicy challenge? Actually, it's only like 1 month ago. But yeah, since the beginning.
खाओगी भाई?
Oh shit.
आँखों में पानी आया।
Yogurt.
अचार खा रही है, अचार मेरे से नहीं खाया जाता। वो भी उसका भाई, पता नहीं किसका, आम का अचार। Yeah.
Okay, the next one is with rice.
Okay. Rice and
Sambar.
sambar, yeah. It's a
Rice
combination.
and sambar.
Nice.
Like comfort food, you know, like a cozy food. It's not too spicy, but still flavorful. piece of carrot.
Yeah.
Feeling all good about yourself because you're taking care of your health.
You are eating spicy food and see I'm crying. You can see my tear. You are having spicy
You're
food and I'm...
crying. Oh, Delhi boy. Delhi boy is being emotional again.
Oh.
Oh, what?
Mosami juice.
What's up?
It's a juice of like, it's a species of orange. Have it and tell me.
Okay. Nice.
So guys, now we are going to the market and we'll negotiate the prices, okay? First I'll negotiate, then
Then I will negotiate. And then I will negotiate.
let's see.
So,
let's see
let's
guys.
see.
कौन बढ़िया negotiate करता है? Obviously मैं
Are you
करूँगा.
ready for this? Germany against India. Bargaining challenge.
Always ready.
Accepted.
चलो भाई. Guys, I'm 100% sure I'll win, but 1% who knows? She can also win.
I will win. I know how to bargain. Try me.
भाई कहाँ से आता है इतना जोश यार, मुझे ये बताओ. बट तुम भाई का जोश देखना आज गाइस. तुम्हारा भाई ऐसी बार्गेन करेगा जैसे तुम्हारा भाई सरोजनी में करता है ना. वो बोलेगा 300, तुम्हारा भाई 30 रुपए. 300 के 30. बट देगा नहीं मुझे वो. So you know how to bargain in India.
Yeah.
So guys, we are in the market. Let's bargain. This seems like a nice place. चलो भाई. देखना कौन जीतेगा. कहाँ लेके जा रही है मुझे? कहाँ लेके जा रही है? स्कूटी वहाँ खड़ी है भाई. Yeah.
First, we have to establish the rules of the game.
Yeah. What are the rules?
Okay. The person
Yeah.
that gets the price the lowest from, there's a difference from the starting price wins.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you get something from 20 down to 10 and I get something from 50 down to 20, I win.
Okay. Come. Okay.
Which is probably what's gonna happen. So
भाई इतनी खुश हो रही है, अभी हराता हूँ इसे. देखो तुम्हारा भाई उठाता है कुछ और सीधा 1/4 करूँगा रेट. पक्का 1/4. ओके. अभी ये देखेगी भाई, आधा घंटा देखेगी. तुम्हारा भाई ने तो ले लिया. कोई भी इनी मिनी माइनी मो ये ले लेते हैं. चलो अब देखना तुम्हारा भाई नेगोशिएट कैसे करेगा. अब इसको लेने दो पहले. हाँ.
nice, right?
या चलो भाई, ऐसे लड़कियों की दुकान है. लौटने का कुछ है नहीं यहाँ. रेडी टू लूज, रेडी टू लूज, रेडी टू लूज, रेडी टू लूज.
I'm not gonna lose.
शक्ल कैसी बना
You be
देती है?
prepared.
हैं?
You be prepared.
I'm
You're so
all-
overconfident.
I'm always confident. You took your piece. We have to negotiate.
Yeah. So I'm gonna get this one and I'm gonna bargain it fuck down.
Let's see. And we are just bargaining or we are buying the stuff? We are just bargaining.
Depends on the price.
Depends on the...
Price.
I'm not buying anything. I'm just bargaining. Come. भैया कितने की दी है?
350
यार बहुत ज़्यादा लगा रहे हो भैया यार. कपड़ा भी इसका ऐसा सही है.
कपड़ा तो
हाँ?
कपड़ा अच्छा है
थोड़ा अच्छा है. 150 की लगा लो यार.
150
हाँ? नहीं 150 नहीं.
300 लगा देगा.
हाँ?
300 350.
चलो यार 175 कर देते हैं.
ऐसा वाला नहीं,
175. हाँ?
ऐसा वाला नहीं हो सकता.
देखो यार गंदी भी हो रखी है इसलिए कह रहा हूँ मैं. मिट्टी लगी हुई है.
हैंगिंग किया है तो थोड़ा तो रहेगा.
200 लगा लो यार फाइनल. है नहीं? चलो ठीक.
इतना तो नहीं, हमारा कुछ भी नहीं वो प्राइस आप बोल रहे हो.
आपको क्या प्राइस बताओ यार, थोड़ा सही तो लगाओ फिर. लास्ट बताओ.
350 बताया था, 300 लगा देते हैं बस.
ज़्यादा बता रहे हो यार. 200 बता दो. 200 में ले लूँगा. हाँ? नहीं है? ठीक है भाई, मैं तो नहीं कर पाया नेगोशिएट.
बस 250 लास्ट लगा
हैं?
देते हैं. 250 लगा देते हैं बस.
200 बताओ. 200
200 में हमारा खरीद
ठीक है,
नहीं है,
कोई
रेट
नहीं.
है. और 250 हमारा खरीदो आपको जो.
चलो भाई.
Okay, what's the price?
ये 650.
It's too much.
Oxygen this while in this price. Second time I selling little.
लाल हो गई हंसते हंसते. हंसकुरी है भाई ये. हंसकुरी. तुम्हारे बारे तो लगा दिया था यार.
No, I would realistically, I would take it for 300.
Yes. Give me, if you like, take 500. Okay, good price.
350.
500 is very good price.
But it has a hole.
Little, like
It has a hole.
this way, little different, less, no?
Yeah, but look, it has a hole. It's broken.
Yeah, broken, no?
Yeah.
I'll show you. I'll show
No.
you. Like this.
तेज है
Stitch.
तेज है भाई थोड़ी.
Stitch.
Okay, but therefore it's work. I have to take it to the tailor. So I also have to pay the tailor.
Rupees, 20 rupees, not more. 10, 20 rupees, not more.
Okay, because today I feel happy and nice. I buy it for 420.
How much you
You
together?
can't say no
okay?
to 420.
How much you together there?
Huh?
Together, how much?
That's not. I'm not buying. She'll only buy.
Ah.
This one, yeah?
420.
How much?
420. That's the rule. You're never allowed to say no to 420.
450, okay?
420. It's a beautiful number.
Yeah.
Yeah.
450 you good, no?
भाई करनी तो आती है इसको यार करनी तो आती है
I think about it. I think about it. Okay, I think about it.
Not now?
Maybe another time. There's a cow.
Oh.
And it's not purple. I think about it.
Not now?
Not now.
Take now.
I think about it. You want too much.
How much
30
you want?
rupee means
300
that
take
is
now.
a lot.
300 take now.
300 take now.
Huh?
No, 420.
300 take now. 300 take now.
No, this
Huh?
one not my cost, no?
350 take now.
420, okay?
350 take now
420.
420 she won't take. She was lying. I know. She won't take. She,
300 take now
400.
300 take now.
400?
300 300 take now.
400 is
300
good
take
price,
now.
really. This
300.
is little
Maybe I
problem.
have to try it on first.
See, little problem. This I also understand. No little problem.
Yeah,
This why I
yeah.
want to sell.
300 take now.
300 no my cost.
350.
final brother there's a hole there's a hole
This
in
why
there
I
there's a
also-
hole
I also this why little smooth.
350 brother.
400.
350 brother. 350.
350 yeah. I'm from Delhi brother 350 final 350
is good.
350 350
She said 420, but I say 400.
350 bro
400 is
350
good
bro because I have to
Inside, really, inside no me profit. This is you good.
brothers
price,
350 I would
Little
have
problem?
I would have bought it for 420 but there's a hole see it's a big hole
no? Yeah, this why I good.
it's a manhole
This why I little. This
bro 350 brother final 350 350 brother 350 brother 350 we will dance 350
350. No, no.
Okay, you guys can dance.
350
There's no TikTok anymore, but we can have live TikTok dances.
350
Yeah? Really?
I won the challenge I won the
You
challenge
won!
I won the challenge
Ah! Okay, but I want to try it on the dress because I actually like it.
Yeah, you can try. You can try. There's a trial room. Yeah, go.
Thanks.
भाई साहब हमसे करेंगे क्या negotiate
Okay,
I won.
congratulations, you won the challenge.
We are having a fancy lunch tomorrow.
Fancy lunch tomorrow is on
Okay.
me.
Yeah.
ऐसी थोड़ी भाई ऐसी थोड़ी
350.
It's too big.
350.
It's too big.
Yeah, it's not looking nice. Even at
It's the
3.
wrong size.
this 350 this is my shop you can take everything in 350
Okay, then I look what else.
you are very nice भैया look here if you wanna shop in Goa you can come to him very nice only 350 price every cloth 350 every clothes you can get in 350 really nice so guys कौन जीत गया guys who won जल्दी बता दो and she was so confident अरे I know ना bye भैया bye 350
You got it down to 3. Okay, I didn't expect that.
guys she was like 420 is the last they won't go below this I won it then I was like अभी आते हैं खेल में तो आए नहीं है अभी हम फिर तुम्हारा भाई खेल में उतरा मैं 350
What does that mean? What does that mean?
I was taking it lightly then I was like no it's a competition I should go full in then I
Oh,
was
you told him!
no
told him it's
I
a
didn't tell him
competition.
I was
Oh.
feeling I thought this in my head I was like I should go full in
Yeah, but I felt so bad for him because he was so nice and it was already actually cheap.
but that dress was not nice
No, but actually it wasn't bad.
it was bad it was bad 350 guys 350. Come to Goa. I can be a good salesman, right? Huh?
Yeah, you could be actually. Maybe you should do cold calling.
So guys, tomorrow she's taking me to a fancy lunch, okay? Let's go. सर खा दिया भाई इसने तो. You started first.